Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Polar H10 heart rate monitor. First, let's get started with the physical setup. Before wearing, always moisten the two electrode areas on the back of the strap. This ensures optimal contact with your skin for accurate heart rate detection. Next, securely attach the H10 connector to the strap. You should hear a satisfying click. Finally, position the strap firmly around your chest, just below your pectoral muscles, for the best readings. Once the H10 is on, it's time to pair it with your preferred device. Make sure your smartphone or sports watch has Bluetooth enabled. Then, open the Polar Beat or Polar Flow app on your phone, or navigate to the heart rate sensor pairing menu on your watch. The H10 should appear as an available device. Select it to establish the connection. You'll then see your real-time heart rate data displayed instantly. To ensure you get the most accurate heart rate data, always wear the H10 directly against your skin. Avoid placing it over clothing, as this can interfere with the signal. After each workout, remember to detach the connector and rinse the strap thoroughly with clean water. Hang it to dry naturally. The H10 uses a CR2025 battery, which typically lasts for about 400 hours of training before needing replacement. The Polar H10 is renowned for its superior accuracy, making it ideal for a wide range of sports and fitness activities. A fantastic feature is its internal memory, allowing you to record one training session without needing a paired device nearby. Simply start your session and sync later. Plus, with an impressive battery life of up to 500 hours, you can focus more on your training and less on frequent battery changes. It's a truly reliable companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.